and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and welcome to the channel that is all about all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. Now, I know I'm looking a little crazy being that this is the channel for all things beauty, but this is just the beginning. This is actually my before. I have a birthday coming up, March 17th. It's actually a slight milestone birthday, and I am tired of the same look. I'm tired of this. I loved it. I enjoyed it. I have worn it for 2 years now, and now it's time for something different. God, I'm nervous because I don't know what I'm about to look like, but let me just show you a few of my inspiration pictures. And as y'all can see, the hair is all gone, very low, and it is platinum. Yes, your girl is about to go platinum. I'm nervous. If you want to see this birthday slight milestone transformation, just keep watching. Y'all, it is about to happen. I am about to get my hair cut. This is the barber shop. Mobile barber right there, Mr. Gino himself.
We got our man good, baby. You know what I'm saying? Call me James, man.
Y'all, this is my barber of over 20 years. This is Barbershop Man Gino.
.com. Barbershopmangino.com.
And I'm going to put it on the screen.
FIUB, baby.
Y'all, I did it, but we're still not done.
We're not done. Just sit back and come back and we're going to film again later on.
All right, tell them one more time, Barbershop Man
Barbershopmangino.com. Y'all come holler at me, man.
And give me your IG.
IG is barbershopmangino too, without the .com.
Follow him. It's right here on the screen.
Amen. God bless y'all. I love you.
Y'all, I did it, but we are not done. Woo-hoo. Look at them, y'all. Look at them. So do y'all like my cut or what? Wait.
She rocking it though.
Cut it off.
I like it.
And wait till I put that platinum blonde on it.
Look at the parts.
Y'all look at them. I feel like a celebrity the way they have me all surrounded. Look at this. Baby, they loving their mama hair. They know they can't front. Lights, camera, action. I'm about to shoot a TikTok before I shoot the color portion of the video. That's why I had to wrap my hair up. I found this TikTok after the fact. This is the setup behind me. I want y'all to know exactly how I achieved this color. I really want y'all to come through the whole process with me so you can see if I get it right or if I don't. And if I don't, pray for me. Let's shoot this TikTok so we can get on to achieving this platinum color. This vlog here is my maintenance vlog for my birthday brunch. Actually, for my birthday brunch / birthday, because my brunch will be before my birthday. So I kicked it off on Saturday with getting my hair cut. This is actually a look that I have been wanting for about 2 years now and just didn't do it. So I'm like, you know what? It's hair, it'll grow back. Let me just cut it off and get this out of my system because I've been wanting it for a while. So what do you guys think? I know you can't see the full effect of the look, but you will if you stay tuned. And if you stop right now and you like this video, comment under this video and subscribe to my channel, you will see how it looks once I just get myself all the way together, honey. Anyway, today I am getting my nails done. My nails have been like this since March 14th, 2020. That was my last visit to the nail shop. And today is March 9th. 2021. Almost 1 whole year since I've been to the nail shop. And y'all, I'm excited. Like, I've never been excited about going to the nail shop. In fact, I don't really like to go to the nail shop. But I know your nails are a part of your beauty as well. I did not want to have myself with a new look and my nails look like this. So I'm going to get my nails and my toes done. If you want to come along on this ride with me and see what I do to get myself together before my big day, just keep watching. Y'all, I know it's been a while since I've been to the nail shop. $100, Lord. But I'm pleased I am back. You can't really see. They are cute. Y'all, that felt so good. It's been so long. I just had to treat myself. Oh, yeah. And y'all, I had to put a wig on because I'm not revealing. By the time you see this, I mean, I'll be done have my reveal. But I'm not revealing my new look until my brunch. So I had to wig it. Anytime I step out, I have to wig it because you never know who you might run into. And I just don't want to spoil it. I mean, it ain't no big deal. It is for me. You know, I just want to get that wow moment when I post my picture or my video. Actually, it's a TikTok. And I want to have my wow moment. So anytime I step out, I'm rocking her. Hey, y'all. Today is Friday, March 12th. Okay, y'all. I did not realize how chapped my lips were until I was editing. So please disregard that. The only reason it was like that is because of these masks. I don't like putting on any type of lip gloss, chapstick, or anything because when it rubs up against the mask, it just feels all yucky and funny. So carry on. Maintenance is not just about getting your hair done, getting your nails done, getting your lashes done. I also had to do maintenance with the body. I had my well check, physical, blood work. So always know your numbers. That is very important. So make sure you get your maintenance for your body as well as everything else. You still see I'm wigging it because I am still trying to save the big reveal for my birthday. These last 2 weeks have been long. Every time I leave the house, I pop this wig on because I don't want to see anybody. I don't want anybody to see my hair before I'm able to reveal it. By the time you see this, all of this will be done happen. But my birthday brunch is Sunday, and I am going to ask everyone to not post any pictures of me or with me from the brunch. Now, they're able to do it of themselves. That's fine because I've gone this long. So I want to actually reveal my look on my birthday. So I will see you all later. It is now Friday evening, and I am getting ready to, well, this is for my eyebrows, and I know y'all know what this is. If you watched my video I made last year, this is to shave my face. All of this is being done in preparation for my brunch. Y'all, I couldn't wait to get home to take that wig off. Oh my God. I'll be so glad when I can reveal this on my birthday because I'm tired of that wig. It looks like this. Y'all already know my hair been like this for 2 weeks. And I am gonna bleach it tomorrow. I was gonna do it today, but I don't even feel like it. I am going to do my brows, shave my face, take a shower, and go to bed. I'm looking down here in my mirror, y'all. Y'all see that? Look at this, look at this. It's just something about brows. When you get brows and lashes, oh. This just came off my face, and it's been about a month since I shaved. I'm telling you, a smooth, flawless finish. Just try it. All right, y'all. I have done what I'm gonna do for the night. Good night. Happy Saturday. I have just picked up my cake, and I'm on the way to get my little thank you gifts, my little sweet treats. Y'all follow her on Instagram. Remember, a follow is free. let me tell y'all what I thought about today. I finally know how the celebrities feel about hiding their pregnancies. Because y'all, me and this thing right here, I can't wait to just snatch it off my head and can just walk freely and go everywhere. And I know y'all, I'm not no celebrity, but at the same time, I just, a cop. Hold on, y'all. Now, cast the cop. At the same time, I just want my big reveal on my birthday. I mean, that's all it is. And I have come this far. Today is Saturday. My birthday is Wednesday. I'm not going anywhere that I know of. Monday and Tuesday. So, I mean, I'm going to go on and go through with it. Once I get home, I can snatch it off. For now, I'm wigging it. I really want to take it off and put it in the seat, but I have a couple of more stops. So, birthday brunch in less than 24 hours. See y'all later.